Oh, spaghetti-o. So I'm going to do an occipital lift. Lift through your skull here. We wait for the yes. Ah! Oh. Your head almost came off.
Ah! It is? Oh my god. After that, I can feel the tension on this a little bit. Huh?
Yeah. Now the stuck side is going to feel weirder.
Yeah.
You're at your sewing machine primarily, right?
Mostly,
So
almost
posture
more
forward.
than 10 hours a day. That's how my neck is, probably because I'm doing this a lot of times.
Yeah. I mean, even just sitting here, right? Your posture is really flexed forward. Your head is going really far over.
Yeah.
It's a big reason why you have this like reversal here and this instability, because everything's going that way and then it's putting pressure down through the flexors. Keep your eyes closed and then kind of look up. Mm-hmm. And there you go. Ah! Oh. Super crunchy.
Feel the crack.
Yeah.
Ooh, it's much farther.
How do you feel overall?
Thumb up.
Feel good?